Hi there. In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you on how to personalize your GetResponse dashboard. When you log into GetResponse, the first thing you'll see is your dashboard. This area is fully customizable to suit your needs. To start, locate the three dots on any widget. Click there, and you'll see an option to remove it if it's not relevant to you. Want to add something new? Simply click on the Add Widgets button. This will take you to the widget library, where you can browse and select widgets that align with your workflow. Once you find a widget you like, click Add to include it on your dashboard. You can also reorganize existing widgets by dragging and dropping them to your preferred positions. That's it. Personalizing your dashboard ensures you focus on what matters most. If you found this video useful, hit the like button and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.